We bring you a talk on mental health and access to justice, care, and human dignity. This talk was part of a webinar organized by the Department of Justice.
I'm going to talk about what an individual can do at a very grassroots level. Because जब तक एक इंडिविजुअल ये नहीं समझता कि मुझे मेंटल हेल्थ की इश्यूज हैं, मुझे हॉस्पिटल जाना है या मुझे किसी से कनेक्ट करना है, तब तक नेक्स्ट स्टेप आता ही नहीं है. We do not then talk about what rights he has or where he can go, whether he is healthy or not. शारीरिक रूप से हम स्वस्थ हैं कि नहीं. And we usually ignore that the mental health aspect and the social. So the WHO has identified that mental health is integral to health. So when we are talking about mental health, what is mental health? It's a complex process. क्या हम समझ पा रहे हैं मेरे साथ जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है, लाइफ में कितने सारे पड़ाव पड़ते हैं, are we able to cope up with those things, are we productive despite having to face various challenges in life. So if we are able to do so, we would say that I'm mentally healthy, I'm able to deal with my mental health adequately. There are various situations in life, whether it is at workplace, family, whether how we are connecting with other individuals, whether we are facing some legal battle or we are having shortage of funds, someone in the family is ill, or home environment or the school environment or the workplace is having problems. So इन सब चीज़ों को लेके हम some individuals may feel stressful, some individuals may feel that this is part of life. तो हमारे reactions अलग अलग होते हैं. And at the same time we need to understand that some amount of stress is important to drive us to face those challenges. अगर हमारे पास एक बच्चे के सामने एग्ज़ाम हो ही नहीं तो वो पढ़ेगा ही क्यों. तो एग्ज़ाम एक तरह से उसके लिए स्ट्रेस भी क्रिएट करता है, पर दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से उसको एक चैलेंज भी मिलता है कि मुझे आगे सीखना है. इफ़ वी आर एबल टू फेस द स्ट्रेस एडिक्वेटली, वी आर फाइन. बट इफ़ वी आर नॉट एबल टू फेस द कोपिंग, वी आर नॉट एबल टू फेस दोज चैलेंजेस, देन वी स्टार्ट हैविंग हेडेक हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत थकान लगती है, मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही है. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द साइंस एंड कॉमनली रिपोर्टेड सिम्टम्स, वेदर दे आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फिजिकल इश्यूज, क्योंकि अक्सर हम मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज को भी फिजिकल का नाम देते हैं. हमें महसूस यही होता है कि हमारे शरीर में थकान है, बट एक्चुअली द कॉज में बी एट द मेंटल लेवल. When we are not able to deal with these issues, we become dysfunctional. I don't want to go to work because there is a harassment. I don't feel motivated enough. मुझसे पढ़ाई नहीं होती इसलिए मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगा, मुझसे काम नहीं होता है इसलिए मैंने आज मेट को नहीं बुलाया. So at various workplace, if when we try to avoid our responsibilities, it means that we may be moving towards a disorder. Mental illness is there. ये कहना कि कब उदासीपन, डिप्रेशन मतलब एक क्लिनिकल डिसऑर्डर बन जाता है, एक बीमारी का रूप धारण कर लेता है, बहुत कोई डिमार्केशन नहीं है. Generally we say that if it is persistent, I'm just giving an example of sadness, depression, which is a very common mental disorder, and it is sadness या depression is commonly used word among the public. How do we recognize these signs? जैसा कि मैंने कहा, सबसे पहले हम शारीरिक कंप्लेंट्स देते हैं. मेरे हेडेक हो रहा है, मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है नहाने का, मेरा को नींद ठीक से नहीं आती, या मुझे भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है, या मेरा मन नहीं करता है खाना खाने को. So these are some of the physical somatic complaints that if one is feeling that or one is reporting, we need to take it seriously. Some of the behavioral signs include there is a sudden, पेरेंट्स आके कहते हैं कि कई बारी पता नहीं बिना प्रोवोकेशन के, बिना कोई किसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट के इरिटेबल हो जाता है, वापस जवाब देता है, या अननेसेसरीली शॉपिंग आजकल हो रही है. Extremes of behavior which was not there earlier. So any change over the time which is not there, which is not acceptable by the family, that means there is this behavior needs to be attended to. At the social level, we don't want to interact with people, we don't want to respond to people, respond to family members. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेके हम नर्वस हो जाते हैं. समटाइम्स वी से दैट मुझे लग रहा है कि बस जिंदगी का अंत आ गया है. So these kind of emotional responses also are a matter of concern and may be an indication for mental illness. So मोटे तौर से अगर हम देखें तो कुछ ऐसे signs होते हैं जो irrespective, these signs can be due to some physical illness and these can also be signs for some mental illness. हमारे रोज़मर्रा का जो रूटीन है उसमें चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जाना चाह रहा है, कॉलेज जाने में छुट्टी अक्सर आ रही है, हम वर्क प्लेस से कोई ना कोई बहाना लेके जल्दी वापस आ जाते हैं. वी आर नॉट ईटिंग वेल, आई गेट अप इन बिटवीन एट नाइट, और देयर इज़ अ चेंज इन माई इंटरैक्टिव. पहले बहुत ज़्यादा सोशलाइजेशन होती थी, अभी मेरा मन नहीं करता है. सो दीज आर ग्रॉस साइंस विच मे बी ड्यू टू एनी रीज़न बट दे आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी पिक्ड. Some signs are specific to a particular disorder. ये सब कॉमन बीमारी है. बहुत ज़्यादा चेकिंग होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है कि बहुत गंदा हूँ तो बार बार नहाते हैं, या बहुत ज़्यादा हैंड वॉशिंग होती है तो OCD, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर. बच्चों में अक्सर स्कूल से रेफरल आते हैं कि बच्चे में बहुत ज़्यादा, वो 7th क्लास में पढ़ रहा है पर उसको अभी तक सेंटेंस बनाना नहीं आता, उसकी स्पेलिंग में एरर्स बहुत हैं, या मैथ्स में वो 2nd क्लास का परफॉर्मेंस है. स्पेसिफिक लर्निंग डिसऑर्डर तारे ज़मीन पर हम सब ने देखी है, एंड दैट इज़ वन वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट दिस इज़ अबाउट. मैनी टाइम्स अनलाइक अदर इलनेसेस पीपल डू रिपोर्ट मेरे को बहुत डिप्रेशन रहता है. It should be taken seriously. It's a cry for help that I am not feeling well. अक्सर देखा गया है कि individuals who do try to commit suicide, they do say, they verbalize their problems, their helplessness, and they seek help, which we most often in our peer groups we do not recognize. Later on, अरे उसने तो ऐसा कहा था. Sometimes individual report, मुझे कुछ सुनाई देता है, हम हंस के उड़ा देते हैं बात को. These may be signs for psychosis. Sometimes we say that बहुत एंजाइटी, बहुत घबराहट हो रही है तो मुझे लगता है कुछ मिनट को लगा कि मेरा तो अंत आ गया. It may be a panic attack. So we need to seek help rather than face that मेरा लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे तो मैं नहीं जाता हूँ दिखाने. At times if it is possible तो टीचर्स सेटिंग में या पेरेंट्स जो एजुकेटेड हैं, we have small self-administered questionnaire which can actually tell you कि ये इस 10 items में से इतना कट ऑफ 2 के ऊपर है. That means you need to consult a mental health professional. PHQ, GAD, 9 items, it's hardly anything. Very simple items which can be used in community.
Introducing the Delhi Law Citizen mobile app for the Indian citizens. This app has been specially developed for you as a citizen by the Department of Justice, Government of India in collaboration with CSC. Through this mobile app, you as an applicant can get free legal advice and assistance from professional panel lawyers of the country in all kinds of disputed matters. Download the Delhi Law Citizen mobile app today.
ऐसा नहीं है कि एडल्ट्स में अडल्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. इट हैज़ बीन डॉक्यूमेंटेड वर्ल्ड वाइड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द मेंटल इलनेस दे हैव देयर ऑनसेट इन द एडोलेसेंट एज. दैट्स वाई वी एम्फसाइज कि बच्चों में और एडोलेसेंट्स में इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू पिक द साइंस अर्ली सो दैट वी कैन प्रिवेंट एनी severity of mental illness. Help seeking treatment gap is very severe in our context. In the recent National Mental Health Survey, 70 to 90% treatment gap exists. That means कि people may have mental illness but they do not seek help. So what do? We need to tell them that we need to seek help early, because I'm just giving this example. बच्चे में हाइपर एक्टिविटी, बच्चा एक जगह टिकता नहीं है, वो बार बार भाग जाता है, खाना खाने में भी बैठता नहीं है. हाइपर एक्टिविटी इज वन इलनेस विच कैन बी इजीली बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, बट इफ इट गोज अनट्रीटेड, व्हाई? बिकॉज पेरेंट्स डोंट वांट टू गिव मेडिसिन. If it goes untreated, it is documented that it may lead to, when the child grows to an adolescent age, he may develop conduct disorder. We can see that the brain में different जो पार्ट्स हैं, उनके different functions होते हैं. जो हमारा frontal part है, that helps in decision making. Amygdala, which helps in regulating our emotions. So when we are helping the child, we are helping in proper development. This support that comes from the environment, that helps in the emotional level as well. A child would feel valued. There would be decrease in the cortisol levels, which means stress कम होता है, and there is a improved decision making. So brain, mind and our behavior, everything is interconnected. When we are seeking support, whether it is peer, whether it is a family, ASHA workers, people who can help, definitely boost the morale, boost the confidence and our productivity. I have mental health problems, I need help. To what level? That can be decided at the Telemanas level. At the PHC, we do have primary health centers. Parents don't report. It's not that they don't report. They may be coming with headache, but actual problem may be mental stresses. But अगर हमें उनको पहचानना नहीं आता, तो we will not be able to say that there are mental illnesses coming and reporting in the clinic. So problems lie at various levels. And prevention, when we are talking about prevention, we need not just talk about emotions and brain development and thought processes. We also need to focus on how do we act at the behavioral level. So we need to identify how to prioritize what is important right now, decide when to do it, and if it is not important, maybe delegate to some other junior staff, and if it is not at all important, dump it. Before we talk about mental health, we also talk about physical health, physical exercises, sleep hygiene. This is very important because in the technology era, we are so much dependent on our mobiles that before we sleep, we are on the mobile. When we come back from the work, we are on the mobile and the child gets neglected. So our parenting gets distorted. So sleep, diet, device-free zones, they are all interconnected. And all of this together, it will ensure that the self, I will feel healthy and the family, the home environment will be positive. When I'm talking about mental health, at the workplace, for example, what am I doing? How do I want to see myself after 10 years? Are my goals unrealistic? And my colleague is doing well, but am I at that level that I should have those goals? What these actions bring to me? So these are some of the questions that help us to realize how I am moving on with my life. So besides my own self, I would rather emphasize that the value system, what makes me comfortable, whether being competitive is what makes me happy, or whether accepting the life how it comes makes me happy. At the workplace, what gives me satisfaction, and whether I'm connecting with others while I'm working, while I'm burdened with the work. So what is required is to identify a time when you can be with your own self, just 10 minutes. And that will help to maintain balance, to know yourself, because you are different. Each individual is different. Each individual's goals should be different. And we need to prioritize. We need to say no. We need to refuse with my peers if they are insisting that try this substance. So which is very common. Most important and last but not the least is that if we feel that things are not moving right, we need to seek a professional help, whether it is a health center, it's a district hospital, or it's a private setup. Thank you.